when it gets nearer to it.
The car CD screen is not lighting up. Suspected to be a short circuit due to water ingress. The insurance is fine. Let's power it on and take a look. This is not urgent. This is the positive terminal. This is ACC. It can power on, but the screen is not lit. There is no obvious damage or corrosion on this board, but the screen here might have taken in something. This position on the Yandog board is clearly waterlogged, right here. So we need to remove the main board to check the back. No water entered the bowl. Can you test if this screen is bright? The flat lamp is on. I noticed the operation of this switch was particularly tricky. It's still not working.
Bam! Poof!
Found an issue with this capacitor. Removed one from the phone motherboard to replace it. The screen is lit, but there are no words, and the screen color is uneven. Like water stains. Probably means the screen is done for.
It failed again.
Words, and the screen color is uneven. Like water stains. Probably means the screen is done for.
It failed again.